Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joins us now, and so much for a slow, quiet week going into the Labor Day holiday, Scott. A lot happening here.
As it has been over the last month, right? We've talked about how this summer has been just fraught with volatility, which is great for traders. And, even though volumes may be a little less than normal, but for this time of year, Angie, the trade has been fantastic.
Absolutely. I take a look at what happened on Friday with that big downward move. My thought was buy that dip, because I really believe that we would hear something about China one way or the other. It would push the market higher. That's what happens. But what do you do from here?
Yeah, I think if you're going to be in this market and active in this market right now, first off, you have to be really, really close to the vest, right? You have to use stop orders, use spreads, predefine your risk. And because the market is not really trading on any sort of technical or fundamental, analysis right now, it's really trading on headline risk, tweets, etc. I think it is very advantageous, actually, to pick spots to buy the dip and to sell into any rally as well.
How do you know when to fade the rally?
Well, you know what? I'm just looking at the percentage moves we've gotten, and I'm just really playing within those ranges. Now, there's going to be a time that we trade outside of those ranges, which is exactly why you need to use stop exits and why you need to trade spreads and, like I said, predefine that risk. But until we get back to some sense of, let's call it, normalcy in the marketplace, I think that's really the way to go about it right now.
You do. All right. Anything with tech that you would be watching here?
I think right now, with all of the tariff headlines and all of the news that comes out with China, if you look at the tech space, the NASDAQ, and maybe the triple Qs in general, that is the area that really seems to have the biggest knee-jerk reaction.
It's vulnerable
to any news that's coming out, either on the good or the bad. So that's really the area that I'm looking at to, when I say buy the dip and sell into a rally, I'm using options in the triple Q space to do that.
Thank you for coming on our show.
Of course.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.